New bill in Ukraine to finally let crypto firms open bank accounts. The crypto grey markets could be unintended consequence of FATF travel rules. Iran and Russia revisit crypto regulations after 10 years. The central bank digital currencies need decentralization. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. Today I am going to share such a great news which is entirely important for all the holders and especially the traders of crypto. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update and especially the news. First of all, I will show you the main things. Right now the BTC dominance is about 65.9% and the BTC price is $9,062, and already basically XRP is on the number 4 and Tether take the place of XRP and it is on the third. It is basically the third largest cryptocurrency, USDT, the stable coin. So that is such a great thing. Now the first news in our list is basically Iran and Russia revisit crypto regulations. So that is such a great thing. So the basic thing is this, that Iranian President Hassan Rouhani ordered the Central Bank of Iran, CBI, Energy Department and Information and Communication Technology Ministries to draft a renewed national strategy for the crypto mining industry. So that is a great news for the crypto market. So definitely the crypto market will blow up again. So second news is such a great thing from two individuals and also you can say the experts of the crypto market, Mr. Kaj and Mr. Iger. They said that all the banks who have the digital currencies need decentralization. So that is such a great thing. So the next news is from the crypto gray markets could be unintended consequence of FATF travel rules. So that is a huge news at this time. Basically, at a panel at Consensus Distributed exploring the impact of the Financial Action Task Force FATF travel rule, BACT President Adam White said, yes, we are going to see a bifurcation in the crypto space, said White. We are going to see white crypto, we are going to see gray crypto, and those different forms of crypto will most likely trade at different prices. So that is, you can say, a small threat for the crypto. And the last news in our list is such a huge news. Basically, Ukraine finally let crypto firms open bank accounts. The Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine published crypto draft law on virtual assets in response to FATF's June 2020. Ukraine is getting closer to providing a legal status for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, with a new draft bill published on Monday. On May 18, the Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine published a new draft bill on virtual assets that aims to determine the legal status of crypto assets, rule of their circulation and issuance in the country. The current version of the bill is not final and is open for discussion by the crypto community until June 5, 2020. So these are the awesome things and you can say the best news of the crypto market. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends, and very soon I will try my level best to bring all the best altcoins for you which you must have to add up in your portfolio for the month of June 2020. Thanks a lot.